Hi, I'm Francis Fournier, President and CEO of Corem. In this video, we will inform you about our collaborative project. HPGR grinding and novel classification in replacement of ball milling for Crush It Challenge. Corem offers a large innovation program and a wide range of services to its members as well as all mining companies worldwide. With our 150 employees and more than 9,000 meter square facilities, including pilot plant, labs, and offices, our mission is to create innovative solutions in mineral processing for the benefit of a sustainable mining industry. We work closely with our members, our customers, and our partners. For the HPGR project, we will collaborate with UBC, mining companies, and manufacturers. By the strength of our team, the eco-energetic process can be adopted by the end users.
Hi, I'm Claude Gagnon, Director of the Non-Ferrous Sector at Corem. High-pressure grinding rolls, or HPGR, use compression, the most energy-efficient approach to grinding currently known. Recently, this technology has been increasingly adopted by the mining industry. However, it is mostly limited to primary grinding in replacement of SAG mills. The ore is still brought to its final size by very energy-inefficient ball mills, which consume approximately half the grinding energy in a circuit. We want to demonstrate that HPGR can also replace ball mills. For this, we have assembled a team comprising Professor Bernhard Klein of UBC and Robert McIver, who are two world-renowned experts in HPGR comminution and ball milling.
Hello, my name is Robert McIver. I have dedicated my career to comminution. I am Chief Metallurgist with Metcom Technologies and Consulting Metallurgist for Corem. High-pressure grinding does not like high moisture. We will prove that it is possible to classify fine material compatibly with high-pressure grinding. We will also find the best conditions for high-pressure grinding to bring ores to 100 microns or finer. I am confident that with the piston apparatus of Bern Klein at UBC and the high-pressure grinding equipment here at Corem and at UBC and the expertise of our partners, we will vigorously attack these challenges.
The HPGR project is a game changer for mining industry. We estimate an energy reduction between 20 to 50% and a considerable reduction of GHG to fight climate changes and yield significant savings and favor social acceptability for mining projects. In being innovative, in using differently existing technologies, our project and our team will accelerate the development and the implementation of this new approach.